down by Beezer. Black cutoff, blue jeans, got a black helmet on.
10-4. Units, that will be direct. That will be direct.
We're coming out back on 331 by Ashley's Furniture. I've got a big truck in the way. He's turning south on 331 back to East Main. He's headed East Main towards Pottsville. East Main towards Pottsville. If you could, let Polk County know, let Pottsville know. Alright, 1022. He's turning again on Shamrock. We're making circles. He's going to come out by Ashley's Furniture again.
J11, what's the traffic like?
It's light. We're on the back road right now at Shamrock. He's in the parking lot back here by the institution, Union Institution. There's no traffic right now.
I'm East Main at 331, where you at?
Turn like you're going to Beezer. We're headed back. He's going back towards East Main. We're headed east on Shamrock. Coming out by Phil Wright. Turning right, going west on East Main. Coming at you, Tucker. He just hit that car. He hit that mirror. Continuing through East Main, headed west. Traffic's light. Speed 70. I'll let you call it 15.
Speed 88. Passing U-Haul here by Harbor Freight. Right lane of travel. Just try to box it in here.
Wrecked out. Show me your hand! You move! You're gonna fucking get it! Give me your fucking arm.
I'm sorry.
Well, it's too late for sorry.
I know.
It's too late for that crap.
Fucking arm. Quit moving your feet. I'm trying to help you.
Yes, sir.
Let's take my glasses out first so they don't hurt me.
I don't think you have a choice right now. Hold on, take it. Smart decisions right there. Real smart. Stand up. Where's your idea? Yeah, we're good. on East Main. I look back, he ain't got no plate on it. He turns around and looks at me. And so he saw me turning around, he pulls in Chick-fil-A, and then he whips around the parking lot, shoots out, and takes off. Chases on. I tapped him. So we're slowing down right here. I tapped him. And then right here, I come through here because Tucker was on here, and I knew he was got to come out. So I came out right here to kind of catch him off guard, and he turned right into me. My brakes were hot. I was trying to slow down, but I kind of nicked him off front. So. Yeah. Yeah. 11, go ahead for him.
We got houses and roads.
Huh? Yeah. Temple. If you could sign me an OCA for this.
Good job. Hey, that's a second. You turn the video on.
I'm sorry, I didn't care.